If you want to know how you can install and manage extensions in Opera browser, watch this video to the end and you will know exactly how to do it. Alright, so once Opera is open, look to the top left corner of the browser. You'll see a small red icon there. Go ahead and click on it. From menu that appears, hover over Extensions, then click on Extensions. From here, you can see all extensions that are currently installed on your Opera browser. Now, if you want to install a new extension, go to the left panel and click on Get More Extensions. After that, use this search bar to look for any extension you want. For this tutorial, let's search Full Screen Extension. You will see extensions related to that keyword listed here. I need the first one, so let's click on that. This will take you to the extension details page, where you can also read more about how the extension works. To install it, simply click on Add to Opera button right here. Now wait a few seconds while installation process finishes. Once extension is installed, this button text will change to Installed. And if you go back to the extensions page, you'll also see that extension listed there. To use this extension, just open any web page in your browser. Once you're there, look to the top left and click on the extensions icon. Then click on Full Screen for Opera. That will instantly open the current page in full screen mode. This can be really useful for better reading and fewer distractions on the screen. To exit full screen mode, you can press F11 on your keyboard or right-click anywhere on the page and select Exit Full Screen. Now, back to the extensions list. You'll see some filter buttons at the top. These help you sort your extensions by state. For example, select Updates to see extensions that need updating, or check the disabled filter to view any extensions that are currently turned off. If you want to access more settings for a specific extension, click on Details. This gives you additional options and controls for that extension. And if you no longer need an extension, click on Remove button. Then confirm the action. After that, the extension will no longer appear on extensions list. I hope this video helped you understand how to install, use, and remove extensions in Opera browser. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.